This is NOAA weather radio station KHB40, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.550 MHz. Here are the weather reports for Galveston, Texas. Severe thunderstorms are expected to hit the Houston metropolitan area within the next few hours. It is advised that you stay indoors until the weather clears up. Some homes may lose power. If your area is at risk of losing power, food that requires refrigeration should be stored in a cooler until power returns. Attempt to obtain a battery-powered radio or television set. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A flood watch has been issued for the following counties or areas: Galveston County, Chambers County. Flooding is likely to occur within the next few hours. This is not a flood warning, as flooding is not a guarantee, but flooding is still likely. You are still advised to follow precautions in an event the flood watch is updated to a flood warning. These precautions include moving to higher ground and not traveling on flooded roads. Stay tuned for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A flood warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Galveston County, Chambers County, Harris County. The flood watch that has been issued for Galveston and Chambers recently has now been upgraded to a flood warning. This flood warning is now in effect for some parts of Harris County. It is advised that you seek higher ground immediately. When coming across a flooded road, turn around, don't drown. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A flood statement has been issued for the following counties or areas: Galveston County, Chambers County, Harris County. This is an update to the recent flood warning. At this time, if you live in Galveston Island, attempt to evacuate, as all roads will be submerged in the next 4 hours. At the same time, there have also been multiple reports of the currents pulling debris, animals, people, and vehicles away from the shore. It is too dangerous to save people being pulled away by the currents, as you may be caught by the currents. Stay away from the shoreline. Stay tuned for more information. This is NOAA weather radio station WWG34, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.500 MHz. Here are the weather reports for South Padre Island, Texas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A special marine warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Cameron County, Willacy County. There have been multiple reports of the tides being strong enough to pull away people and small boats. At this time, avoid all coastal areas until the special marine warning is no longer in effect. Do not attempt to help people who have been caught by the tides by yourself, as you may be caught too. Local authorities will attempt to find people who may have been caught by the tides. Stay tuned for more information. This is NOAA weather radio station KEC 95, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.400 MHz. Here are the weather reports for Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A coastal flood watch has been issued for the following counties or areas: Horry County, Georgetown County. Over the past few hours, the tides have been getting more intense, which may cause flooding. This is not a flood warning, meaning that a flood is likely, but is not occurring. However, you should still stay on high ground and avoid the shore. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A coastal flood warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: St. Johns County, Duval County, Nassau County. A flood is currently happening along the coast of the Jacksonville metropolitan area. At this time, avoid the coast and seek high ground immediately. Do not attempt to swim in the flood waters, as they have currents that can pull away people and even small boats out into the sea. Tune into news television channels and radio stations for more information on this current situation.
To my heart, and it hurts so much to feel everything has gone.
Let's make a new start. Let's realize what we're doing. Not the money or the power will catch you any fool. See the children in the desert. See the hopeless, desperate eyes. Ask the father what he feels when his hungry baby cries. But he lost the chance 'cause you tried to get it all, and you won't understand until your back is to the wall.
And now I know it's just a game, and I don't need the rules to play. Maybe it's happy, maybe it's sad.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A flash flood watch has been issued for the following counties or areas: Richmond County, Kings County, Queens County, Nassau County, Suffolk County. Due to the recent tide phenomenon that has been impacting the United States has increased a likelihood of a flash flood within the next few hours. It is advised that you remain at high ground and avoid the shoreline. In the event that a road floods, turn around, don't drown.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Seismic alert. Seismic alert. Seismic alert.
Se ha producido un terremoto en el Golfo de California. Este terremoto ha sido clasificado como 7.2 en la escala de Richter. Si se encuentra en un lugar cerrado, agáchese y cúbrase debajo de un mueble resistente, preferiblemente un escritorio o una mesa. Aléjese de puertas y ventanas. Si está conduciendo, deténgase y diríjase a un lugar seguro, preferiblemente una zona sin cables eléctricos, puentes ni pasos elevados. No salga de su vehículo hasta que sea seguro hacerlo. Si se encuentra en el exterior, muévase a una zona sin edificios, árboles ni cables eléctricos.
An earthquake has occurred within the Gulf of California. This earthquake has been ranked 7.2 on the Richter scale. If you are inside, Duck and cover under a sturdy piece of furniture, preferably a desk or table. Move away from doors and windows. If you are driving, pull over and head to a safe location, preferably an area without power lines, bridges, and overpasses. Do not exit your vehicle until it is safe to do so. If you are outside, move to an area without buildings, trees, and power lines.
But you know you can never make me love you more.
The stars fall down, let the leaves turn brown.
So you know you can never make me love you more.
Let the rainwoods die, let the wells run dry.
So you know you can never make me love you more.
Everybody knows, come on!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A flash flood warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Richmond County, Kings County, Queens County, Nassau County, Suffolk County. The tidal phenomenon has caused a flash flood to occur. At this time, if you are at high ground or in the middle to upper floors of high-rise buildings or skyscrapers, remain there until further notice. If you are at low ground, evacuate to high ground now. If you see a flooded road, turn around, don't drown. Do not panic, as panicking will now help you in this situation. Stay tuned to news television channels or radio stations for more information or more updates if they become available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A tsunami warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Brazoria County, Galveston County, Harris County, Chambers County. Evacuate to high ground immediately. Do not seek shelter in a high-rise building, as it may become unstable. Do not travel on flooded roads. Instead, turn around, don't drown. If you are already located within a high-rise building, rescue teams will be deployed after the tsunami. Please wait for them. Again, evacuate to high ground immediately. Do not seek shelter in a building, as it may become unstable. Do not travel on flooded roads. Instead, turn around, don't drown. If you are already located within a high-rise building, rescue teams will be deployed after the tsunami. Please wait for them. This message will repeat in 30 seconds.
So, I believe I have discovered a possible cause to the increasing intensity in Earth's tides. Ever since the beginning of the month, I have been observing the orbit of the moon, and it seems that the moon is gradually approaching the Earth. At its current rate, it could possibly collide with Earth by next month.
Do you know what this means for humanity? If the moon collided with Earth, we could face a catastrophe ever before seen.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious. You know what else is obvious? The need to tell the president about this.
Hello? Who is this?
This is Sven. Anyways, I have discovered that the tides have been getting more intense, because the moon is closer to Earth than usual. However, it has not stopped getting closer. At its current rate, it will collide with the Earth by next month. Our country is at risk. Wait, no. All the countries are at risk. I don't know what can be done in such little time, but something must be done.
Oh, don't worry, I'll come up with a plan soon enough. In the meantime, we'll continue to send out emergency messages to ensure the safety of my people.
Oh, okay.
Primește fericirea. Alo, alo, sunt eu, Picasso, ți-am dat bip și sunt voinic, dar să știi, nu-ți cer nimic. Vrei să pleci, dar numai ei, numai ei, numai ei, chipul tău și dragostea din tei. Mi-amintesc de ochii tăi, ei. Vrei să pleci, dar numai ei, numai ei, numai ei, chipul tău și dragostea din tei. Mi-amintesc de ochii tăi, ei. Te sun, să-ți spun ce simt acum. Alo, iubirea mea, sunt eu.
Vă întrerupem programarea obișnuită pentru a vă transmite un mesaj urgent. S-a raportat că un cutremur cu magnitudinea de 8,8 este iminent. În acest moment, îndepărtați-vă și acoperiți-vă sub o piesă de mobilier robustă dacă sunteți în interior și mergeți într-o zonă liberă, fără structuri dacă este în aer liber. După oprirea cutremurului inițial, așteptați-vă să apară replici. Acest mesaj se va repeta până când sunt disponibile mai multe informații.
We interrupt your regular programming to bring you an urgent message. It has been reported that an earthquake with a magnitude of 8.8 is imminent. At this time, duck and cover under a sturdy piece of furniture if indoors, and head to a clear area, without any structures if outdoors. After the initial earthquake stops, expect aftershocks to occur. This message will repeat until more information is available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. A volcano warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Hawaii County. Mauna Loa has erupted, and significant portions of ash and smoke are traveling towards Hilo. Residents of Hilo and nearby towns are advised to return home immediately, turn off ventilation, and do not go outside without a face mask or gas mask. Going outside without protection may cause significant damage to the lungs. Large amounts of magma are currently flowing down Mauna Loa. Evacuation orders may be issued for nearby villages. Tune into a station providing news and information to your local area to know if your area is at risk of this event.
Waking up on a razor to still living around there. A place with much more sky we could not deny. Almost like a place we want to be. Another man, a place where we start hoping. While I can see again your smile. Don't trust my lies. You feel the time, and every night we cry.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. An earthquake warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Carbon County, Stillwater County, Yellowstone County. An earthquake of a magnitude of 8.7 has been detected and large portions of the Billings metropolitan area are expected to become damaged. If you are currently outside, move away to an area clear of any structures, such as buildings, power lines, overpasses, and bridges. If you are inside, duck and cover under a sturdy piece of furniture. Expect aftershocks after the initial earthquake ends. Tune into news media outlets and radio stations for more information.
This is an activation of the public warning system. A tsunami has been detected approaching the island. Evacuate coastal areas immediately and head to high ground. Do not return to low ground until it has been declared safe to do so. This message will repeat until further notice.
Ini adalah pengaktifan sistem amaran awam. Tsunami telah dikesan menghampiri pulau itu. Kosongkan kawasan pantai dengan segera dan menuju ke kawasan tinggi. Jangan kembali ke tanah rendah sehingga ia telah diisytiharkan selamat untuk berbuat demikian. Mesej ini akan berulang sehingga diberitahu kelak.
这是公共警报系统的启动，检测到海啸正在逼近该岛，立即撤离沿海地区并前往高地。在宣布安全之前，请勿返回低地。此消息将重复，直至另行通知。
இது பொது எச்சரிக்கை அமைப்பை செயல்படுத்துவதாகும். சுனாமி தீவை நெருங்கி வருவது கண்டறியப்பட்டுள்ளது. கரையோர பகுதிகளை உடனடியாக வெளியேற்றி உயரமான பகுதிக்கு செல்லவும். பாதுகாப்பானதாக அறிவிக்கப்படும் வரை தாழ்வான இடத்திற்கு திரும்ப வேண்டாம். மறு அறிவிப்பு வரும் வரை இந்த செய்தி மீண்டும் தொடரும்.
As the unusually intense seismic activity pops up in many locations all around the world, many people have been started to claim that the moon seems to look bigger in the sky. Some people have even gone out of their way to tell people that the moon is on a direct collision course to Earth, possibly leading to the planet's demise. Rumors like these has sparked mass panic through the country, and NASA has yet to make a statement on whether this is true or not. As for us, we don't know for sure. Also, we can't assume things or voice our opinions here. Hold on, we are receiving an EAS transmission. Please stand by.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. An earthquake warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: San Francisco, San Mateo County, Sonoma County, Napa County, Contra Costa County, and Santa Clara County. An earthquake with a magnitude of 9.8 is imminent. This earthquake will become the most powerful earthquake in history, beating the 1960 Valdivia earthquake. If you are indoors, duck and over under a sturdy piece of furniture. If you are outdoors, move to a clear area without any structures immediately. If you are currently located within a skyscraper, attempt to leave now. These structures will become too unstable during and after the earthquake. This message will repeat. Message is transmitted at the request of the The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. A tsunami warning has been issued for the following counties or areas: Monterey County, Santa Cruz County, San Mateo County, San Francisco, Marin County, and Sonoma County. A tsunami has been generated by the earthquake that occurred approximately 1 hour ago. All citizens who are living near the coast are advised to stock up on essential goods and evacuate to higher ground or further inland. Do not waste any amount of time, as the tsunami is expected to make impact within the next few minutes. This message will repeat.
津波警報が静岡県、神奈川県、東京都、千葉県、茨城県に発令されました。これらの県内のすべての住民は、食料、水、衣類、重要書類、現金、手回し式または電池式のラジオと予備の電池など、必需品を備蓄し、内陸部または高台に避難してください。パニックに陥ると状況が悪化しますので、パニックにならないでください。このメッセージは追って通知があるまで繰り返し表示されます。
A tsunami warning has been issued for the following prefectures: Shizuoka, Kanagawa, Tokyo, Chiba, and Ibaraki. All citizens within these prefectures should stock up on essential goods, such as food, water, clothing, important documents, money, and a hand-cranked or battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and evacuate further inland or to higher ground. Do not panic, as panicking will make the situation worse. This message will repeat until further notice.
津波警報が静岡県、神奈川県、東京都、千葉県。
This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey in conjunction with the Wyoming Office of Homeland Security. A volcano warning has been issued for all of Wyoming. Due to the recent frequency and growing intensity of seismic activity, it is believed that an eruption of Yellowstone is likely in the next 24 hours. Citizens of Wyoming should gather food, water, a first aid kit, flashlights, important documents, money, and a hand-cranked or battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Shelter locations have been opened in Montana, Idaho, Utah, Colorado, Nebraska, and South Dakota near state borders. Evacuate to these areas now. This message will repeat. following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An immediate evacuation notice has been issued for the following counties or areas: Gallatin County, Madison County, and Park County. This is a mandatory evacuation order. On April 22nd, the Yellowstone caldera began erupting, spreading ash across Wyoming, which is now spreading to Montana. Ash clouds will reach the previously mentioned counties in 1 to 2 hours. Inhaling ash is deadly. Stock up on food, water, a first aid kit, important documents, money, and a hand crank or battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and evacuate immediately. Do not panic. Panicking will worsen the situation. This message will repeat in 5 minutes.
This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended to bring you an urgent message. Please stand by. This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended to bring you an urgent message. Please stand by. This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended to bring you an urgent message. Please stand by. This message has been transmitted by the British government and the UK Space Agency. The UK Space Agency has discovered that the increased seismic activity has been caused by the Moon coming closer to Earth. Unfortunately, the Moon has not stopped moving towards the Earth. Instead, it is, in fact, on a collision course with the Earth. The collision is expected to occur on the 1st of May sometime during the dusk. With our current technology, prevention of the collision is not possible. You have been permission to do anything you want, even if it's a crime, as laws will no longer be enforced. But it is highly recommended that you do something that is relaxing to you or spend time with your family and friends. Also, if you are religious, then it is highly recommended that you pray to, repent your sins to, and beg for forgiveness to your God or higher being. All television channels and radio stations will now sign off with a playing of the national anthem. Please stand by for a playing of the national anthem. Please stand by for a playing of the national anthem. Please stand by for a playing of the national anthem.
Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
The following message has been authorized for me to deliver by myself, the White House, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. My fellow Americans, I announce with a heavy heart that the moon is on a collision course to the Earth. This discovery was made by NASA back in April 13th, but we kept it hidden from the public because mass panic would erupt. Between that day and right now, we have been constructing underground shelters called protectorate bunkers to protect the people. These protectorate bunkers are underneath major cities all throughout the United States. An optional evacuation order has been issued for all regions of the United States, including Alaska, Hawaii, and our overseas territories. This is not mandatory. But, regardless of whether you want to enter or not, you must spend the next few days stocking up on food, water, a first aid kit, and a hand-cranked or battery-powered radio with extra batteries and seek shelter. You only have 4 days, or until May 1st, to prepare for this event. So, absolutely zero time must be wasted. And, last but not least, do not panic. Panicking will make the situation worse than it already is. Again, gather essential supplies, seek shelter underground, and remain calm. If we follow these actions, the United States of America will survive and not only be restored to its former glory, but will become stronger than it ever was. God bless America.
That was a message from the President of the United States. We will now return you to the emergency alert system. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives. Please stand by for a message from the President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
This message has been authorized for me to deliver by myself, the White House, and the government of the United States. My fellow Americans, out of a last-ditch effort to stop the moon fragment to reach the Earth, our country, in conjunction with France, the United Kingdom, Belgium, the Netherlands, Germany, Italy, Turkey, Belarus, Russia, China, North Korea, Turkey, Pakistan, India, and Israel have manufactured thousands of nuclear bombs, and will now be launched towards any fragments that are on collision courses with our planet. All citizens should treat this as if it were a nuclear attack against the country. Gather all the supplies you have with you and seek shelter underground or in an interior room on the first floor of a building. Remember not to panic, as panicking will worsen the situation. When the disaster ends, this country will not only be restored to its former glory but will become stronger than ever before. God bless America.
That was a message from the President of the United States. We will now return you to the emergency alert system.
This is a pre-recorded message from the United States government. If this message is being sent, it means that the plan to protect the Earth has failed. If you are currently in an underground area, do not return to the surface until further notice. The environment of the Earth is too harsh. the United States has collapsed. Survivors must rebuild the country if the earth heals. This message will conclude.
Steve.